Hello, Christina. Since last Saturday, January 23rd, New York have a first snow blizzard, 25 inches, 25.1 inches snow. So Saturday I didn't go out at all. And I don't even go to dumpster for my mailbox Saturday. But yesterday, I like to see outside how many inches snow. Yesterday, Sunday, then I see my mailbox. It was nuts in there. So I was wondering, maybe no mail delivery. And I walked down yesterday, I used a cane, because I don't know the snow, how many inches. I just walked downstairs, open my mailbox, it's empty. And I go outside. But I cannot see the snow. Even go outside, I cannot see snow. All the scarf around my building. Every section of this area, Long Island City. And I go to sidewalk walk with a cane. Then I saw snow, deep snow. People approach me. I usually use the walker. Miss, you cannot come here. You cannot get out the house. And where the walker? I say, I don't know the snow, how many inches. But I like to see the snow. If nice day, no snow, deep, I go to, go outside, take a picture of the snowstorm. That I did a couple of years ago. Snowstorm, very, very deep snow. I went alone on my way to Queensbridge Park. No car, no bus running, nothing. No people even walking, sidewalk. And I fell my butt first. So my both arm and legs up in the air. I was like this. Help, make me standing up. I was not even used to walk. I'm a healthy, good body. And I have two cameras hanging by my neck. I was about 40 minutes, maybe almost one hour. Then I heard somebody talking, but still I cannot see. I wear inscription sunglasses, my butt stuck in the snow, my legs, both legs and my arm up in the air. Then finally 2 gentlemen came out from the Queensbridge Park. Miss, how long you here? Oh, about 1 hour. And they picked me up, grabbed my arm gently and put me upright. I standing up and I say thank you for them. Very nice. But I cannot go this kind of weather no more. I was so pain. So I go to grocery store across the street. Cross the street, again, difficult with a cane. Pressure my body. I'm a little heavy set. Pressure. Buy a half-gallon milk. I should buy a gallon, but I cannot carry. Some little things. Maybe snack. Dairy, I think, more expensive. I cannot buy meat. Something easy things, and I buy this side bottle of water. This is new. I don't even open yet. This is a big size. I buy a few bottle and milk and snack and bread. So I can eat the peanut butter. is box cereal. I eat this morning only cereal. Almost 9 o'clock. I cannot see from here to cable box time. So I have on my cell phone to look for the time. 8:56 p.m. Monday, January 25th. I don't go outside yet. No way today. I don't even go downstairs for mailbox. Maybe no delivery again, I don't know. And I'm alone. My youngest son no come home. I saw Friday. He went to work. He had to go early. She had to open the gates. And that's it. And he don't come Saturday. Yesterday he called me, check on me. I don't want to make anything worry, so I don't say anything big deal. I'm fine. You know, I have another son, Dave, living 25 minutes away from here.